हाँ, एक बार ये पट्टी निकल जाएगी, फिर आप मिरर में देखना, आपका बिफोर भी दिखेगा उसमें, इसलिए क्लीन।
डायनाप्लास्ट क्यों लगाते हैं?
ताकि कंप्रेसिव ड्रेसिंग हो, ताकि अब देखो बीच में कैसे था, हड्डी जहाँ पे कट किया था वहाँ पे ब्लड पूल हो जाता है ना, तो उसको हमें चाहिए कि एक कंप्रेशन, एक्सटर्नल फोर्स रहे।
एक बार स्क्रू लगाने के बाद वो ऑलरेडी फिट हो जाता है ना, बहुत फिट, हिलने का चांस नहीं होता है ना जब तक इंजरी ना हो।
नहीं, अगर हाँ अभी इस स्टेज पे आपको चोट लग गई तो अभी हो सकता है।
हमें बस वो था जो मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम बताया था, ऐसे करता हूँ बस हल्की आवाज़ आती है, मुंह खोलता हूँ ना,
दैट इज़ ओके। द स्वेलिंग भी थी ना यहाँ पे,
अभी तक वो आवाज़ आती है।
सिस्टर नो नीड, दिस इज देयर।
आईपैड डेवलप ही देखना था मैं।
क्या देखना था?
iPad।
ये सेम फोटो आईपैड से प्रिंट हुआ है,
साइड
सब है यहाँ पे, दिखाएंगे आपको एक एक करके। हेलो एवरीवन, वी आर हियर पोस्ट ऑप डे 5 which is 5 days later his genioplasty surgery. He came to us from very far north of the country, and he had multiple requirements. One of those remained that of a jaw surgery. He was not very precise. He asked Dr. Richardson for his opinion. He wanted to know what would deem best for his jaw, specifically his lower jaw. He always knew he had a short jaw, but what the surgery would be, how would the surgery go about, what are the changes it can bring about, he was not very sure. The scan was taken, doctor explained him the scan, and a genioplasty was done for him. In fact, he came for other procedures also, which hopefully he'll do in due time, which was respect to his eyes, which was the upper and lower blepharoplasty. Okay, we see it's quite well soaked and coming out from the one side. Yeah, it's going to be little painful. Okay, we'll keep spraying this for you, so hope this works. It's already quite soaked. Yeah, just close your eyes. Better, hurting little less?
Yeah, it's
Okay, we'll try from this side now. I know, sir. It's almost done now. Just the last bit. It's hurting too much?
yeah.
Okay. Okay, we are done. All these are the sticker marks, which is the Dynaplast mark that will wipe it off. Okay. Okay, so he was awaiting to see his before after results. So we'll see as to how it is. Okay, if we can get this a little ahead. Yes. So you get to see your chin now. Yeah, you can have a look at the mirror. The one thing which you pointed out immediately after surgery was you felt there was a lot of swelling. There is still swelling because mind you, it's just 5 days post the surgery. But the shape of your chin, if you can have a look and also compare with the left side. So on your left, if you can get this a little ahead, is your pre-operative picture. You can see both the images in the mirror. The chin was short. So when I say short, it was short vertically. Horizontally, we can see from the side view. So we see the side image. This image will be better. Even if you can have a look at the basal view. So in this basal view, if you look up, sir, just chin up. Yes. So the chin is aligned in a way that it's become narrower, pointier, not very pointy such that it should suit your face, because you specifically mentioned you want a chin which is like a manly chin. So chin which has more weight. We'll look on the lateral view or the profile view. This will give you the maximum difference. If you can turn to your right side, just how you turn in this image. Yes. Can you see both the images now? The previous one and this one? Yes? Yes. So on the image which is there on the patient's left is the chin, is, if we can see, it's receded. It's short vertically, it's small horizontally. So it's receded. So if we can see how the chin is, and if we can have a look now, the chin has been augmented both vertically. You can just turn to one side. By vertical I mean this length of the chin has been increased, but more augmentation has been done in the horizontal direction. So from the side view you can see that the chin has come up, it has come ahead, right? We can see other views as well, like we can also see your left profile. You can turn towards your left, yes, and you can see in the mirror the images of both the sides. Now the left is the pre-operative one and this happens to be now. You can see how the mandible is looking. That's because along with genioplasty, there's jaw sculpting as well.
यहाँ पे तो तब भी ठीक लग रहा है ये वाला.
That is because you are having swelling. If you look very straight, sir, you see you have swelling more on the left than the right. So the results are reflective more on the right side than the left. But the amount of work done has been equal. In fact, we'll even take scans. Yes, you have swelling on this side, you're swelling on this side. Again, coming to the pre-operative view, है स्वेलिंग हर जगह है, नहीं इस जगह भी स्वेलिंग है, पर इस जगह कम स्वेलिंग है इसके कंपैरिजन. यहाँ पे भी स्वेलिंग है, लेकिन जो आपको इन टोटो जो बोलते हैं, जो इफेक्टिव रिजल्ट है, दैट्स कम आउट रिमार्केबली वेल. वो आप प्री और पोस्ट आप कंपेयर करोगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा. साइड व्यू में ज़्यादा समझ में आता है क्योंकि आपके केस में हॉरिजॉन्टल ऑगमेंटेशन ज़्यादा हुआ है एज़ कम्पेयर टू वर्टिकल ऑगमेंटेशन. बट ओवरऑल जो फेस का स्ट्रक्चर है वो बहुत बैलेंस हुआ है, क्योंकि हम हमेशा जब फेस को 3 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करते हैं तो आप देखोगे इस पार्ट का वेटेज अभी जो इम्बैलेंस था उसको करेक्ट करके एक प्रोपोर्शनेट वेट मिला है लोअर हाफ ऑफ द फेस को बिकॉज ऑफ द चिन. एंड जब आप आए थे यू वर वेरी क्लियर कि आपको जॉ सर्जरी करवानी है, लेकिन विच सर्जरी विल यील्ड द राइट रिजल्ट वो आपको इतना सर्टन नहीं था. So you met Dr. Richardson, scans were taken, he explained to you that this is the right treatment modality and you went ahead.
और भी कुछ हो सकता था क्या?
आपके में jaw sculpting भी हुआ है, that was also important because we had to, जैसे आप देख रहे हो आपको इस साइड में अगर पता चल रहा है, the chin now looks much more in shape, much more in alignment and pointing towards the chin. That is also a part of jaw sculpting, right? कभी कभी बोलते हैं कि चिन इज पार्ट ऑफ द लोअर वन थर्ड ऑफ द फेस, बट इट अफेक्ट्स योर एंटायर फेशियल फीचर्स, right? We'll also take a scan for you. How are you finding the results? Because you were very eager कि Dynaplus, हाँ
भी swelling है ना, इसलिए समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
You know, once again we can have a look at the side view such that he can see in this view.
चिन तो improve हो गया है.
चिन improve हुआ, definitely improve हुआ, and it's a marked difference.
यहाँ पे
स्वेलिंग है, स्वेलिंग पूरा कम होगा. इट्स जस्ट 5 days. इनफैक्ट आपके केस में स्वेलिंग इज लाइक रिलेटिवली लेस.
ये जो पहले सीधा रहा था यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है? कुछ साइड एंगल में,
साइड एंगल कुछ नहीं, साइड एंगल हैज बिकम इन कंटिन्यूएशन विद द चिन. अभी चिन आगे आया है तो रेस्ट ऑफ द
ऐसे नहीं हो सकता था, थोड़ा सा कॉन्टूर
इस साइड में आपको बहुत स्वेलिंग है. हम एंगल ऑस्टियोप्लास्टी आपके केस में नहीं किया है. वी हैव वर्कड ऑन द चिन. You did not require. Yours was not. Yours main problem lied with the chin. That is why you've gone for genioplasty and jaw sculpting. Okay. How was your stay here? You came from so far.
Yeah, it was nice stay here.
Yeah.
I really loved the place. 6 days went very smoothly for me.
Yes.
Even though I was alone.
Yes, yes, that is a very big point क्योंकि आप नॉर्थ से आए हो ना, अकेले आए हो. But here a lot of patients come alone, get the surgery done, heal well and then go home.
But I have more 2-3 days to stay. But I'm not able to speak clearly. I'm not able to speak clearly.
थोड़ा थ्रोट में होता है irritation after the surgery, but still
नहीं है यहाँ की बात, बस clearly नहीं बोल पा रहा हूँ.
You will. Actually, we advise the patients not to speak too much initial few days. How is the pain?
Pain is okay.
Pain is okay. ठीक है. We're looking forward to see you again, mainly because of the LA procedures that you want to undergo, especially with respect to the eyes or with respect to buccal pad fat, जो भी है आपके मन में. We look forward कि आप और भी procedures के लिए भी आए.
Like right now I have मैंने अपनी आवाज़ बढ़ाई इसलिए क्लियर आ रहा है, बट मैं नीचे से एकदम स्लरिंग स्पीच हो रही है.
That will become no. That we have not done anything with we have not done anything with the tongue or with the speech that should affect it. इट इज़ ओनली माइट बी बिकॉज ऑफ द पेन, इसलिए मैंने पूछा, बट यू आर सेइंग पेन इज़ फाइन, इट विल ओनली बिकम बेटर. इन फैक्ट यू आर नॉट सपोज टू स्पीक्स टू मच इन द इनिशियल फ्यू डेज फॉर बेटर रिकवरी. ठीक है. Okay, we'll take a scan for you to see as to how the results are.
जैसा ये लग रहा है वैसा ये लगेगा ना.
Yes, पर swelling कम हो जाएगा, इसीलिए मैं बोल रही हूँ स्कैन निकालेंगे such that you get a clearer picture. Okay, thank you.